What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's episode, we have the LG Stylo 4 and the Galaxy A6, and we want to compare it and doing a gameplay. If you guys haven't seen the comparison of both of these phones, we're going to have them linked down below. For this video, we're going to be doing a PUBG gameplay. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. Let's go ahead first of all and see which one will turn on first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so far the A6 is a little bit faster. The quality of the screen is much better on the AMOLED A6 display, by the way. So the A6 is rocking a 1.6 octa-core processor, while the LG Stylo 4 does have a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. This has 3 GB of RAM on the Galaxy A6, while the LG Stylo 4 only has 2 GB of RAM. As you guys know, I'm not really a big gamer, but I do have my friend here from Flow760. That's his YouTube channel name. You guys can go check him out. He does a lot of gameplays, and what he's gonna do here is gonna play and gonna tell me which one he prefers over the other.
Alright, it's your boy Flow760 again with JGTechBlog. We're gonna go ahead and test out the gameplay on the LG Stylo 4 first. So we're gonna go ahead and just straight up jump into a match. The quality is pretty nice on the LG Stylo 4. I believe it did have me set it to just regular what do you call it, graphics, which is kind of weird because a bunch of other phones that I've tested this out on would have the graphics set to high performance.
Well, I think it's because also, you know, it is running at 2 GB of RAM, so
true, that is true.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just jump down. So there is a little bit of frame drop.
Yeah, so it is dropping some frames.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll smooth out, and honestly those little bits of frame drop can be like the decision between dying and losing in a fight. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just try the A6. We're gonna go ahead and hide in a house real quick on this side. And we are now testing out the gameplay for PUBG on the A6, the Samsung Galaxy A6. Now, a few things to note between the Samsung Galaxy A6 and the LG Stylo 4 gameplay for PUBG. Honestly, the quality, the vibrant colors, the processing power, the frame rates, and everything that you could possibly think of is definitely way better on the Galaxy A6. But the only downside between the Galaxy A6 and the Stylo 4 is that the A6 has a much smaller screen. That little bit of difference, you could really feel it. And right now you can see someone is shooting me right here. It's a teammate. Probably is wanting me to get up. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump down. We're gonna see if there's any type of frame drop or anything. And so far, it is honestly a whole lot smoother. You could really tell the difference between the two. A lot smoother. The colors are way more vibrant, like I said before. Oh, hopefully that's a teammate. Yeah, it is. Alright, there was a bit of lag there, and that was just from the landing and dropping down, which honestly does happen across all devices, so I'm not making a big deal out of that. So we're gonna go ahead, grab a gun. So we're just gonna see how does it perform while aiming down sight, running, jumping, all that. So it looks like we're getting shot from the back. There it is. Downed. Oh. So that is a teammate of mine. We're gonna go ahead and finish this person off. And I did just get shot in the back. So my teammate did knock somebody down. Oh, he is getting shot at, so we are gonna help him real quick before checking in. Oh, yeah, you're down, buddy. You're dead. Let me just finish you. And he's dead. So far, just from playing the two of these, I gotta already tell you right now, the A6 is definitely a much better choice. than the Stylo 4 in terms of gameplay. I mean, if you could handle playing on a phone that is slightly smaller, all the way definitely get an A6. Alright, we are going to go ahead and just be testing out the sound quality between the A6 and the Stylo 4, just to see how the in-game quality itself sounds. So as you can see, the A6 is at full volume. We're going to go ahead and take a few shots. So it is pretty loud. If you are really a gamer, for games like this, you are going to be paying attention for footsteps, especially up staircases, and for just gunshots in general, because for people like me, I will listen to things like that to help me locate enemies or just people in general in the game. So we're going to do another test shot real quick. So the quality is pretty good. The sound is really loud, and yeah, this is the A6. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the Stylo 4. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop and leave our team. I'm gonna have to deny you, buddy. Big lure boy. So we're just gonna dive straight down into a house, pick up a gun, and do a quick gun test for sound quality. Hopefully there's a gun in here. Yes. So we did pick up a pistol. We're just going to do a few test shots and see how the sound quality is. It's not as bad, but the A6, you can definitely hear it. It's a lot more clear. So to conclude, the A6 beats the Stylo 4 in every single way possible except for the size. It's not too bad, but if size does matter, I mean, you could go for the Stylo 4, but if you really want performance and color and sound, the A6 wins hands down for every category.
Shout out to Flow760 for joining us and doing this gameplay. We're also going to be doing another gameplay for the LG K30 and the LG K20. If you want to watch that, we'll have that link down below, and as well as the reviews for both of these phones. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. And they're starting to shoot at us again. Alright, now I'm going to be turning on PUBG and see which one turns on faster. 1, 2, 3. And so the A6 is already on.
Turn up the volume all the way. We're gonna... So there are people talking. I don't know if I can mute them or not.
That's bloopers. You should add that in the video.
Yeah, like,
it sounds like somebody from a different country is playing.
they are from a different country.
You can't mute them?
Oh yeah. There you go. That's how you mute them. Oh wow. So I just saw a notification pop up on the game that did say one of my teammates wants to jump together. That was never part of the game before. And honestly, that's pretty cool because usually you would have to talk with each other to synchronize a jump. But I guess there's a button that now just be pressed and it'll make you jump at the same time. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop and leave our team. I'm gonna have to deny you, buddy. Big lure boy. Now we're gonna see how does it perform when you go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna exit the vehicle, I'm gonna just get in as a passenger, and we're gonna go ahead and check back in on this one. It looks like my teammates let me down and I am dead, so we are just spectating for now.